So look at that soft batch. Look how soft they are. Oh, and look at that peanut butter. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today I'm excited because I'm going to be making oatmeal peanut butter cookies. So stay tuned and let's build these cookies. For these cookies, I'm going to be making about 12 cookies. So I'm going to be using 1 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You're going to add in here. Make sure you get all of that because you need all that salt. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You want to spread that around because that's got, and you make sure you want to scrape and get all that baking soda out of there. Also, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and this is a 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Okay, so these are all our dry ingredients. Now we're gonna whisk this up in a big, large bowl. Okay, I've got 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and it has to sit out and soften. I have 1/2 cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar. And I'm gonna beat this down because I want all that sugar. Okay, now I got my 1/3 cup of finely granulated sugar. Mix this all up too. Okay, now I'm scraping down the sides. Okay, this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we're gonna need that. We're gonna pop that in there. Okay, turn on the beater and let's beat up this vanilla inside. Okay, I've got a tablespoon of honey peanut butter. Okay, so I've got my peanut butter in. I'm getting ready to whip again slowly. 1 large egg. Okay, one more slow beat now. We're going to slow beat this until it comes incorporated because we don't want to keep beating this on this mixer because we don't want to separate our butter from our sugar. Okay, I got a 1/2 cup here and I'm going to be using some peanut butter chips. You can go get these in your local store. They got them everywhere. Just look for the peanut. When you look for the chocolate morsels, just look for the peanut butter morsels. Okay, guys, now that flour mixture is already done and I've got my wet mixture, I'm going to add 1/2 at a time of my powder mixture, and I'm going to just start folding this in. Sure you get all the rest of your powder, your dry mix, right into the bowl. Okay, I've got some 1-minute quick oats. I'm going to use about 1/3 cup of oats. That's 1/3 cup. That is good. That's a lot of oats. I'm gonna make sure all of these get in here and all the cookie mix all over. I've got a scoop here. I like the cookies to be big for you all when I present these cookies. I'm just gonna take my 4-inch scoop. I think it's a 4-inch. And then I'm just gonna press these out. So 15 minutes on 350 degrees, constantly look at it. All right. And I'm going to show you all guys. See that brownness? See that brownness of that cookie? That's how you want it, a light brown like that. Okay. I've let these cookies cool, really cool. I had to do some chores, so I could just let these cool, go do my chores. And here they are. They nice and cool down. And guess what, guys? These cookies are still soft and moist. Let me show you. Look at that coming in. Look at how soft these cookies are. Look, you can they just sinking in. Oh my God, they're delicious. And here they are, my oatmeal peanut butter cookies. Look at here. We're gonna see how, look at that soft batch. Look how soft they are. Oh, and look at that peanut butter. This is double the peanut butter with a little oatmeal peanut butter cookies. These are good. Let's taste one. I've been waiting on this all day. Oh my God. You're getting the peanut butter. Oh my God. You're getting the oats. Oh my God. This is delicious. Hey guys, you need to make some of these. Oh my God. These oatmeal peanut butter cookies are the best. I hope you make some for your friends, your family, your kids, your grandkids. Just get in the kitchen. Let's make some of these cookies. Oatmeal peanut butter cookies from Be Sure to Cook. Hey, I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I know you are when you see these cookies. And when you bake these and you taste them, you're going to be, oh my God, if those cookies are good, how about all the other cookies she did? You're going to love every last one of them. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.